Planet Earth is home to millions of beautiful and strange creatures for thousands of years. Most of them lived for several centuries, but eventually, after completing their lifespan, disappeared either due to natural disasters or by other living things in survival race. Because nature is only one rule for everyone, and that is survival of the fittest. By studying fossils, scientists discovered the estimated age of some of these animals that were alive millions of years ago. But the most astonishing factor is that some of those ancient beings are still present on Earth. They are limited in number, but are still alive. Let's have a look at them. 10. Frilled shark. The frilled shark is a living fossil and was discovered in Tokyo, Japan in 2007. It is most common in Suruga Bay, Japan, and appeared 150 years ago on Earth. It is about 2 meters in length, eel-like body with dorsal anal, pelvic fins, and is dark brown colored. It is named after the frilly or fringed appearance of its 6 pairs of gill slits. Frilled shark has 300 trident-shaped teeth, over 25 rows, and its mouth is much larger than other species of shark. Frilled sharks are very limited in number. 9. Nautilus. Nautilus is a marine mollusk and belongs to the family Nautilidae. It originated around 500 million years ago on this beautiful planet. It represents the only living member of the subclass Nautilidea. The word nautilus is derived from the Greek word nautilos and means sailor. Their tentacles are cirri and are composed of long, soft, and flexible appendages. Nautilus cirri are non-elastic and lack pads or suckers. These mollusks adhere to prey through their rigid surface and are found in the tropical water of Fiji, Andaman, and Great Barrier Reef. They are also considered as living fossils. 8. Horseshoe shrimp. Horseshoe shrimps were evolved around 200 million years ago. They were evolved at the same time when dinosaurs were evolved. Horseshoe shrimps are about 2 to 4 millimeters in length and have the power to survive in any condition of weather and geological variations. The adults die when the weather is dry and the water pools dry up in which they live, but the eggs can survive even through periods of extreme dryness. 7. Sturgeon. Sturgeons, the oldest member of the bony fish family, evolved 200 million years ago in the world. It belongs to the family Acipenseridae. They have heterocercal caudal fins similar to those of sharks, and an elongated, spindle-like body that is smooth-skinned, scaleless, and armored with 5 lateral rows of bony plates called scutes. They may grow up to 7 to 12 feet in length and weigh 600 to 1,200 kilograms. The largest sturgeon was a beluga female captured in the Volga estuary in 1827. It was 7.2 meters long and weighed 1,571 kilograms. Sturgeons are the largest freshwater fishes in North America. 6. Coelacanth. Coelacanths are mostly found near the Comoro Islands off the east coast of Africa and the Indonesian coelacanth. They live in depth under 2,300 feet from the surface and have a lifespan of 60 years. They have a length of 6.5 feet and weigh up to 90 kilograms. Coelacanths are closely related to lungfish and tetrapods, then to ray finfish. They have evolved around 360 million years ago. 5. Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crabs, belonging to family Limulidae, are marine and blackish water arthropods. They have originated 445 million years ago on the surface of Earth and are closely related to the extinct sea scorpions called Eurypterids. Their whole body is covered by a hard carapace. Horseshoe crabs have 2 compound lateral eyes, and each is composed of 1,000 ommatidae. They are considered as living fossils. 4. Martialis horaca. Martialis horaca is the oldest species of ant. It was discovered near Manaus, Brazil, from the Amazon forest in 2000. The behavior of this species of ant is different from other ant species on Earth. Therefore, its name, Martialis horaca, means ants from Mars. After its discovery, it was placed in a new subfamily called Martialinae. It is 3 millimeters in length and has a pale color. This ant has no eyes. Its discovery compels the biologists to make an in-depth study about other species of ant. It is estimated that Martialis horaca was evolved 120 million years ago on Earth. 3. Jellyfish. At number 3 in the list are jellyfishes. The marine animals have umbrella-shaped bells and trailing tentacles. The bells provide propulsion and are very efficient in locomotion. Jellyfishes are considered one of the most ancient creatures on Earth. Jellyfishes are found from surface waters to the deep sea all over the world. They are large, colorful, and the oldest multi-organ animals in the world. Jellyfishes evolved 550 million years ago in the world oceans. 90% of their body is composed of water. They are eaten as a delicacy in some Asian countries. 2. Sponge. Sponges look like a plant, but they are actually a special kind of marine animal. Sponges evolved around 580 million years ago and are the members of phylum Porifera, which means pore bearer. Their body is full of pores and channels which allow water to circulate through them. There are about 5,000 different species of sponges in the world. They do not possess any internal organs. Their most amazing feature is to restore the lost body part, and a new sponge will grow from the older one. 1. Cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is a phylum consisting of free-living bacteria and endosymbiotic plastids. They are the oldest known living system in the world. They are also known as Cyanophyta. Cyanobacteria originated about 2.8 billion years ago. Cyanobacteria are prokaryotes and are also called blue-green algae. Some of their members fix atmospheric nitrogen in anaerobic conditions with the help of specialized cells called heterocysts. They fix nitrogen gas into ammonia, nitrites, and nitrates, which are then absorbed by plants and converted to protein and nucleic acids. Photosynthesis is performed within sac-like structures called thylakoids.